Diddy's son's accuser, graceful marque, breaks silence on rapper's arrest in shocking case. Graceful Marque, the woman accusing Diddy's son of misconduct, has finally spoken out following the rapper's arrest. In a candid statement, Omarque detailed her ordeal, sharing how the incident unfolded and expressing her relief that action is being taken. The case has garnered significant attention as more details emerge about the high-profile family involved. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more updates on this unfolding legal battle and celebrity news. Omarque's account has sparked a conversation about accountability in the music industry, as fans and critics alike react to the news. With Diddy's family's reputation under scrutiny, the case continues to evolve, captivating the public and raising questions about justice and celebrity privilege.